Hello. I don't know why I've just skipped this vlogging to here, but let me just take you to the पिछले part पे. Currently I'm in London and I thought to go this Big Ben and have the strawberry with the chocolates. Couldn't happen because I was super tired after my flight. I couldn't sleep. Even I want to sleep. So I'm again in London with one of my colleagues. And this time I didn't thought I got like 27 hours of layover. And then it was not planned to go out. But then this is off because of course हम हमेशा लंदन आते हैं और हम कभी बाहर नहीं जा पाते.
He will never go out, and I always get like a short layover. So this is my first time I'm getting like more than 24 hours layover.
+1 please. So I got her. Otherwise she was at the back, I was in the mid. There was no collidation कि हम दोनों बाहर जाएंगे. But जिनके साथ हम बाहर आने वाले थे उन्होंने हमें डिच किया है. तो अब हम उनको डिच करेंगे ये ब्लॉग बीच के. गाइस लंदन से आने के बाद जिनको मैंने टैप आउट करा वो यही लोग हैं. ब्लॉग बीच के. You got me? We have to go this Westminster, right? Chal, let's go. So we are on our way to Westminster. ने पूरा एडवेंचर मान लिया है आज हम गूगल पे भरोसा करना छोड़ दिया हमने. We are just this लड़की is asking everyone कि मुझे बता दो मुझे कैसे जाना है बिग बैन. आज तो मैं जाके रहूँगी भाई. And we are just asking the locals. It's more better, right, than a Google. Because the Google will show platform 1 and we are just in platform 16. That makes no sense. And I was like, okay, fine. We just need to ask people out. And yeah, she had her paid puja and now she's ready for Big Ben. Choose platform 1 or platform 16. ठीक है मैं बोलती हूँ. ये ले आ गया. ये क्या? हमारी ज़िंदगी सर्कल बन चुकी है. वी हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस पैडिंगटन जो कि यहाँ पे है और हम ऐसे घूम के जाएंगे. मतलब इन्होंने इजी क्यों नहीं बनाया कि एक लाइन ऐसे करते हैं ऐसे क्रॉस करके. मतलब व्हाट इज़ दिस गोइंग टू होल सर्कल भाई. बट इट्स ओके. दिस इज़ ऑल वी हैव एंड वी नीड 45 मिनट्स फॉर दिस अगेन. देख लो भाई इसको. बट आई स्वेयर बिग बैन में ये जो बनेगी ना प्रीति जिंटा को भी फेल कर देगी भाई. ये आई नो हर.
And I think she's going to dance there on an until so.
टिकटॉक बनाएगा अपन. टिकटॉक बनाएगा. Guys, so there was again something like there was one pattern happened. She will tell you what happened. Tell please.
So there was this old man, like we asked him like where to go and all. So he told us to take this particular train, but it is going in a circle as you can see.
It takes like more time.
So it takes more time. We were supposed to reach there in like 25 minutes to the station at Westminster. But now it is taking us more time. I think it will take us more than half an hour.
So we just asked for a help and we were even just saying that platform 1 should I go and all. He said no. In next 3 minutes the train is coming and you can reach there and
we'll reach in like 15 minutes or maybe.
I don't know why people do like this, but let me tell you one thing. If somebody is coming to your country or something, please do not do that. If you don't know, just say no, but don't give something bad experience to people because you don't know at what situations they are. So please guys, please don't do that. इसको भी मेट्रो का टिकट मिला है bro. Let's go. No, actually I feel like that we are a tourist क्योंकि हम लंदन आए जा रहे हैं ब्रो. I don't think so यहाँ का कोई भी बंदा लंदन आए घूमने जाता होगा अपने वीकेंड्स में भी. Dude, I need a good lighting. हाँ मेरी पिक्चर अच्छी. Okay, we are here. चटकता हुआ भाई ये जो चटकता धूप है अभी ये मैं दिखाती हूँ कैसा है. 1 2 3 4 5 ओके आई कैन भाई वो कतरे में ओह ये देखो लंदन आए. ये लो मैडम रेडी हो रही है. दिखाना मैं कैसे रेडी होती हूँ. वाओ फ्लैटर्ड 10 out of 10 गो. आप सन के चटक में कैसा लग रहा है आपको? गर्मी लग रही है?
बहुत गर्मी लग रही है.
डूड इट्स सो हॉट. अब पता नहीं मैंने क्यों ही पहना है. अब मुझे इसे उतारना पड़ेगा. Space was so bad of this train. पर मतलब इतना छोटे स्पेस में इतने लोगों को भर देंगे तो क्या ही होगा. We have thought that we have to do the all London things like जो भी important जो मेन चीज़ें हैं. You know reason behind because we know that हम वापस नहीं आने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. और ये फोकस में नहीं आ रही है. फोकस में आता आ गई. और हमने काफ़ी मज़े करे हैं बट ओ भाई ये पिंक लाइन लग रही है मेरे को. ओ ये क्या है? We're just walking to London Bridge stations and it's just 4 minutes walk to see the London Bridge.
Am I tired? Yes. Are you tired? Yes, obviously.
But you wanted to go to the London Bridge?
You also wanted to go to the London Bridge.
But you want? अरे यार, you wanna go or not? The girl is right there. We have to reach to her. यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. ये कौन है? ये कौन सुंदरी है? ये मैं हूँ. Hi. Closer, but ये hello. What is this? London Bridge here. And we're very close. Certainly walking, and then we found this Hayes Galleria, and I think it's kind of some ship or something. Thingy. You can say it's Hayes Galleria. It's like mid 1850 following the study और इन्होंने अभी इसका गैलरी बना दिया है. Okay, how you feel now? But like we are just almost
Tired but happy.
tired.
We got tired but happy because we got the videos and the photos.
That's so yeah, true. But we are super
Because we
tired.
have the professional photographer.
इल्ले कुछ नहीं. इसके पिक्चर्स पसंद नहीं आए ब्रो. ये मेरे को पैसा नहीं दे रही है. I'm not giving her any pictures until she pay me. You pay me. और मैं पाउंड्स चलते हैं. हाँ मैं पाउंड्स में वो करूँगी क्योंकि मैं अभी लंदन की लाइन पे हूँ. UK lands, you know. No real, no rupees, only pound. super tired now and we are just going back to our hotel because it's almost 6 and 10 में हमारा minimum start हो जाएगा. So we have to jump up before we just go. दो घंटे लगेंगे. I think by 8 we're gonna reach at our
She
hotel.
still has energy, so she can be here. But I'm tired. That's
No, I'm tired. I wanna. Okay, guys, we're just stopping this vlogging here. Thank you for watching, and if you like love, please do comments and share if you like to.
and subscribe as well.
इतने बड़े वाले वो है कि हमें मन किया कि अब हम घर जाएंगे, बट हम जब देख रहे थे कि हम घर जल्दी पहुंच रहे हैं तो हमें चुल मची है कि हमें जल्दी नहीं पहुंचना है, हमें उसी टाइम में पहुंचना है जब हमने एक्चुअली सोचा था. अब हम ये कहीं तो कुछ स्ट्रीट पे आ गए और ये स्ट्रीट बड़ा ही मज़ेदार है. Like literally it's having a lot of things. You have falafel shawarma, you have this strawberry with this Belgian chocolate. So प्यारा भाई, strawberries बहुत ही प्यारा था with chocolates. How much you rate of this one?
This one,
जोर से बोलो.
I will say 10 out of 10 because it's very good.
It's very fresh and very good. Like it's really
Really awesome.
Yes.
she's like अभी एनर्जी आ रहा है. सुना तुम लोगों ने?
It was worth it.
है ना? पर मेरे को लग रहा है 7 pounds कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं ले लिया.
अभी इधर के हिसाब से आई थिंक उनके लिए ठीक रहेगा, हम लोग के लिए नहीं.
Maybe, but worth it है bro, worth it है. I really wanted to go this Primark, but मुझे Primark नहीं दिख रहा है कहीं पे भी. Can you see Primark? Hi guys, we actually made it to our destination, that is our hotel, and finally guys, today was गिर जाएगी भाई इधर आजा. Today's episode was for us in our life was lot of learnings, lot of mistakes, but one thing we promised that we never gonna do this mistake again, and we do 1 p.m. and right now it's 9, right? It's 9 p.m. here in London and it's totally worth it. I feel like 9 घंटे के हमने बस चलाई करी है, but here we are at Sheraton and it was a great time. वैसे तो हम एपिसोड वहीं पे बंद करने वाले थे, but then we went to this street and it was really worth it. So now I'm officially gonna end this, and if you really liked, please subscribe once again. मैं नहीं वापस से बोलूँगी, so tired to say it, but if you really love, please share this and show some love and kind to each other. That's what I really wanted to say. Bye. Ciao.